This is my dream body, the one I used to walk around in my dreams. In this dream, I'm in a hospital bed. The doctor is holding a small pink bundle. And wrapped in the bundle, I see the little face of my dog, a small rat terrier named Lolabelle. I kissed her on the head, and I said, "I'll love you forever."
I walk accompanied by ghosts.
To live in the gap between the moment that is expiring and the one that is arising. And when you close your eyes, what do you see? Nothing. Now open them. I saw it. The connection between love and death. And that the purpose of death is the release of love.